The days are getting shorter, and it's cooling off. Summer is ending. This time of transition is marked by harvesting my brambles and late summer crops, and a general shift in energy as I anticipate winter. For me, this means slowing down a little to enjoy the warmth and making time to enjoy the simple pleasures in life.
Do a very good job at being cute.
It means saying goodbye to the vibrant greens and hello to the earthy golden tones. It's as though the earth is giving us a final reminder of warmth, stretched over the land like a patchwork quilt. The Moray coast draws us to its warm shores for some final days on the sand before bitter cold winds arrive from the North Sea later this year. But for now, warmth. I recently made another trip to the Gordon Castle Walled Garden, which you might recognize from a video earlier this year. I love spending time at the gardens, getting inspired, and trying to find ideas for my garden for the next spring. Things are winding down here at the garden, but it's still so full of color and life. And while I was there this time, I found out they are nominated for the Historic Houses Garden of the Year award, and they are the only Scottish garden who is nominated. So if you want to help them out, there's a link in the description where you can vote for them, and I'm sure they would very much appreciate it. It's only been a few years since they started to renovate and transform this historic garden to this incredible display of flowers and food. If you ever get a chance to visit Scotland, late August and September is an amazing time of year to visit. There's so much to do and see, and as the weather is getting a little cooler, there's a few less midges and less tourists, so it's a great time to travel around the highlands. You get the benefit of seeing flowers and beautiful foliage everywhere, and unique things like salmon jumping season. also want to thank you all for helping my channel reach over 1,000 subscribers. That is so fast and so amazing. The cool thing about reaching 1,000 subscribers nowadays is that you get a community tab on your page. So now I can post little updates so I can keep you guys more informed here on YouTube and maybe give you some sneak peeks and behind the scenes stuff. Of course. As soon as I start recording. Yeah, so I try to spend as much time out here as I can before winter hits. So eating a lot of meals out here, sketching, and just soaking it up before it gets way too cold. Hopefully we'll have a good... Hopefully we'll have a nice long autumn and I'll be able to share a ton of beautiful colors, and oh my gosh, the whole neighborhood just lights up with different colors and it's insanely inspiring. But the next time I see you guys, I'm going to be in Applecross, which is a beautiful West Coast area, and it's where we try to go camping at least once a year, usually either really early spring or late autumn. But I'm really excited to take you there. I'll show you a couple clips at the end of this video of Applecross so you know what to look forward to next time. But I hope you are all doing well, and I will see you again soon. Take care.